no. Put your lips right on the edge. Now blow. Yeah. Shmarim Teruah. Tekiah.
I put a tissue paper under this.
Good job.
Let's just get right
Nice. Okay, do the last
Yeah,
one.
the
This one is the
Tekiah
blow as hard as you
Gadol.
can.
Tekiah.
Tekiah Gedolah. Wow! Hooray! That was awesome. Little butt crack action. And where does the shofar come from?
A lamb.
And where does an apple come from?
A tree.
And what do we dip the apple in?
Honey.
And where does that come from?
A bee.
A
A
bee.
buzzing bee.
Can you say Happy Rosh Hashanah?
Happy